Section 5 is about using digital tools to fine-tune your job search. The following techniques can boost the probability that your resume will rank high enough to qualify for review by a human reader. So you want to include job-specific keywords or keyword phrases in context. Focus on nouns, use variations of the job title, concentrate on the skills section, keep the formatting simple, and use conventional headings. The Career ePortfolio is a professional electronic portfolio, and it is a collection of digital files and documents showcasing the accomplishments of a student's academic career. Some e-portfolios are built like personal websites and feature sophisticated media. You can look at figure 13.9 in your book. It highlights the advantages that e-portfolios offer. So how are e-portfolios accessed? Some colleges and universities make spaces available on their learning management systems to host student e-portfolios. And some institutions may offer instruction and resources for editing video, digitizing images, and preparing graphics. Some recruiters may be skeptical about e-portfolios because they fear that such presentations will take more time to view than a paper-based resume. As a result, non-traditional job applications may end up at the bottom of the pile or be ignored. That's why some applicants submit a print resume or email a digital copy in addition to providing an e-portfolio. And there are video resumes, and this allows a candidate to present their experience in a video form. But before committing time and energy to a video resume, decide whether it's appropriate for your career field. Such presentations make sense for online media, social, and creative professions. Traditional organizations, however, may be less impressed. The textbook provides a collection of resume examples in this chapter and ideas for simple layouts that are easily duplicated and adapted. So if you're looking for an example, definitely use your book. A hard copy resume is useful during job interviews, for person-to-person networking situations, for recruiters at career fairs, and when you're competing for a job that does not require an electronic submission, you may want to have a paper copy or multiple copies available. After preparing a basic resume, you can convert it to a plain text resume so that it is ready for emailing. Plain text format is an electronic version of a resume that is saved with a TXT file type suitable for emailing or pasting into online resume bank submission forms. So if there's a place where you have to submit your resume online, you may want to use the TXT. And then when you do that, to create a plain formatted resume, you would save it as TXT, then open the converted plain text file with Word again. And here it are plain text documents are sometimes preferred because they avoid possible email viruses and word processing incompatibilities. So here are the directions to create a plain text document. You can follow these guidelines to create it. All right, and then here's some more. For bullets, use asterisks or plus signs. This is still about creating the plain text. Use white space or a line of hyphens or equal signs to separate sections. So you can read over this, and you can also, once you follow those guidelines, you can paste a copy of your plain resume into an email message and send it yourself to make sure that it appears right, just so you can check it. Just email it to yourself, or you can email it to a friend. So when you submit your resume, most organizations request one of the following: either a Word document, a plain text document, or a PDF document, which is an Adobe portable document format is what it stands for. It's invented by Adobe that condenses documents while preserving the formatting and graphics. Be sure that you read the listing carefully to learn how the employer wants you to submit your resume. Not following the employer's instructions can eliminate you from consideration before your resume is even reviewed. So if you have any doubt about what format is desired, send an email inquiry to a company representative or call and ask.